Baby, you should let me love you.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to episode 4 of my fall wig series. I know I took a little break, but I'm back and better than ever. Today we're diving into another stunning wig perfect for the fall. Today's unit is a honey glazed brown look from Outre Perfect Hairline in style Lorena. Because what's fall without a little highlight moment? You know what I'm saying? Just look at this color. It's so freaking beautiful. Now I'm using my lace tinted spray by Red in shade dark brown to help blend the lace to match my skin tone. Now this color is the perfect blend of warm brown, golden hues, and it gives you just that effortless glow that screams autumn vibes. And the color is HNGLABRN Honey Glazed Brown, and it is a 13x6 lace frontal. I'm clipping the hair to the back to make the install easier, then cutting the lace into 3 sections and then removing the ear tabs. This step helps me work on each section with more precision. I know I took a little break because, life happens sometimes. You just can't control it. But I'm back and more determined than ever. So we're going to finish the last weeks of the year strong. And we're going to all do it together. For hold, I'm using my go-to Ebon Mold & Hold hairspray. I usually like to spray 2 layers on my skin, section by section, to keep the wig secure. But this time, I'm only spraying 1 layer because I don't really plan on wearing this install for a long time. Once that's done, I'm wrapping my elastic headband around the hairline to get the perfect melted look. Now on to the styling. I'm going for a middle part. And guys, I promise to do a side part on my next install because I feel like I'm always doing a middle part. You just can't go wrong with it. But I'm using my rat tail comb to carve out the parting, then define it, and then for defining it, I'm going in with my wax stick and then pressing it down with my hot comb. And don't forget to press the back. You need everything to look good. And as you can see, I'm not pressing through the whole hair. I'm using the hot comb to press through some of the hair because we don't want to lose the curls. So I'm only going about 1/3 of the way. So don't press through the whole hair. And to seal everything in, I'm using my spritz spray and then running the hot comb through one more time. And all the products being used will be listed below in my Amazon storefront. So if you would like to check it out, please click the link below. To trim off the excess lace, I'm using an eyebrow razor to cut it in sections. This technique creates the most natural look by avoiding any harsh lines. And as you can see, I'm also cutting it at an angle with a zigzag motion, which helps the lace blend perfectly into my skin. After cutting the lace, I did notice it was pushed back just a little bit. So to fix that, I'm using some alcohol on a cotton pad to remove the adhesive. Now you can use water for this step as well, but I'm opting for alcohol because my lace tinted spray did seep through the lace a little bit. So the alcohol not only removes the adhesive, but also helps clean up the tinted spray residue, leaving the lace to look flawless like it did before. After removing the adhesive from the front section, I'll then push the lace up and use my brush, which has my matching shade foundation, to blend the lace to match my skin. I'll then go over that section with the adhesive again. I guess it was a good idea. I only used 1 layer of adhesive earlier because it made the whole removing and reinstalling very easy for the front section. I'll then use my rat tail comb and blow dryer to press the front to dry. Now, don't judge me, y'all. Like, my blow dryer is broken, so you gotta do what you gotta do to make do, okay? And then I'm gonna use my brush, which also has my matching foundation shade on it, and to blend it. And it's already looking so much better. Next, I'm using my hot comb to go over the parting again. This time, I'm focusing on pushing the hair slightly towards my face to frame it better, since I won't be adding any edges to this look. This step is just about shaping and layering in the parting exactly how I want it to complement my face. Then I'll comb out the hair to get rid of any tangles. And this is how the back looks like. Give you a little shake, a little shimmy. Next, I'll define my middle part by using my Kisses Cream foundation in shade 11 to enhance the parting space and to make it pop. Guys, look at this color. Like, I'm gushing over it. The different combinations of blend, it's just giving me so much life. It's just so soft and has so much body and movements. For the final touches, I want to add a little bump to the front, so I'll take my spritz, spray, and then spray it and use the back of the hot comb to press the front to give it that bump look, if that makes sense. Like, I'm a visual person, so it's better to see it than to explain it, but if you watch, you will know exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy?
And you see that little bump right there? That's what I was aiming for. Finally, I'll go in with my Kisses Cream foundation in shade 16 to blend the lace seamlessly into my skin for a flawless final finish. And here is the final look. I absolutely love this color, the S curls, the bounce this unit has, and it complements my skin so well. It doesn't tangle as much as other synthetic wigs usually do, and it's so easy to comb out. I hope you guys love this tutorial as much as I love creating this fall ready styles for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, if you haven't already done so, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the rest of this fall wig series. Thanks for watching my video. See you next week for week 5, or should I say episode 5 of my fall wig series. Bye.